Welcome back to the top 10 countdown of Realtor.com's top 10 housing markets for first-time home buyers. And coming in at number three is Villas, Florida. We got the second one in the top 10 in Villas, Florida. Villas, Florida is just south of Fort Myers, and there really wasn't that much as far as fixer-uppers in Villas. So we went to Fort Myers. You can see here's Fort Myers. Villas is just south down the 41. It's in the same metropolitan area, but we found this fixer-upper here. This is a three-bedroom, two-bath house. It's actually listed as a one bath because the second bathroom was gutted and it hasn't been finished yet. So the agent is selling it as a three-bedroom, one bath. And unfortunately, these agents write no FHA or VA loans, home sold as is, no repairs made by the seller. Well, that's ideal for a renovation loan. And so we need to do a better job at educating real estate agents so they don't market it and not ask for FHA or VA buyers. There is a VA renovation loan as well as an FHA renovation loan. So let's look at some of these pictures so you can see. And let's see, what year was this built? This was built in 1971. So yep, it's 50 years old, and it looks like it's got most of the original everything. It looks like it's got the original windows, um, original flooring. The flooring looks like it's Formica, actually. Same thing, the cabinets. The kitchen definitely could use uh, updated appliances, updated cabinets and countertops. And like we say, the interior doors look like their original interior doors. So let's see what we could do with a ready for remodel fixer upper loan. So we're going to take this address, copy it, and drop it into our found a fixer. And so you can put any property address at all of any property that's listed and put in that address and import all of that pertinent data. So right now we're importing the bedroom and bathroom count. It did pick up that it's one, but I'm going to put two because we need money to remodel that second one, and our estimating software looks at that information. So um, we're importing all the photos, and our system will take that first photo and give it a modern design. And so that is a pretty modern design. You can see that's what it looks like now. And so I think that's let's go ahead and do a very low strength and relook at that picture and let AI know that it's the exterior and it's the front of the house. And let's just give that a ranch style. And so you can redesign any one of the photos. And if there's no photos, you can actually upload photos, go to the house, take pictures, and upload them yourself. And so that's what it looks like now. And there's just a modern ranch style house that looks more realistic to me. Looks like a new roof, new windows. The house definitely needs new windows. It looks like the original steel casement windows. So um, let's go in and find that kitchen and let's see what a modern kitchen might look like. I think we'll take this picture here and let AI know it's the interior and it's a kitchen. And let's do you know what? I've been liking this rustic design. Let's see what a rustic kitchen design is going to look like. There's an unlimited number of designs that you can evaluate and look at. Just plug in a picture and put in the design. And so again, that's what the kitchen looks like now. And that's what it could look like with new flooring, new cabinets, farm sink. Looks beautiful. So once you get your different designs, and you can again, we've got this house has got 22 different photos in here, and it looks like a bathroom. Let's do a bathroom too, and see what a bathroom design might look like. It is the interior. Let's do bathroom, and let's do a I don't know. Let's see what rustic bathroom looks like too. I don't know if I've done that. And so again, there's pretty much unlimited number of design options based on AI strength, based on whether it's a kitchen or bathroom or front of the house or back of the house. And we can also prompt it, give it prompts. So that's what it looks like now. And that's what it could look like with, new doors, new toilet, new sink. Looks like they put a granite countertop sink instead of that. It looks like a laminate sink right now. And so we're just modernizing this house. So the first step is visualize what the house could look like. The second part is estimate your cost. Now we use accurate estimates based on the bedroom and bathroom count, the square footage, and the zip code that property is in as far as the material costs and labor costs. So let's build a bid and then see what the total price is going to be for your down payment and monthly payment. Exterior paint, I'm not sure if it needs that. We definitely want to put some windows in. We can put in better windows. We have three different qualities. Again, you can click this little icon here and it gives you a description of good, better, and best, what that means. And then you can push the icon next to the scope of the work, the upgrade option, and it gives you a description of what that includes. So a good quality window would be 7,500 for that house. Better would be 11,000, and best is about 16,000. Let's just choose better. Same thing with the kitchen remodel. We can do a kitchen remodel for like 16 grand. Um, I would say let's replace the exterior doors as well as the interior doors. We'll probably put some new paint in, some new flooring, and modernize the bathroom. So looks like we're going to do a real good modernization, kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, paint, windows for about 90,000. So when you hover over this, this is the hard cost. So the bid from the contractor of 78,000. Then we have the soft costs of about 11,000. And the soft costs are a cost associated with the remodeling, including a 10% contingency reserve. So if there's any surprises that pop up once you take possession of the house and start the remodeling, we've got extra money in there in case those surprises pop up. If you don't use that money, it goes towards your principal reduction, or you can do capital improvement, like a new deck or a new patio cover or something like that that adds value to the house. So, okay, so let's take this. We've got the sales price of about 175. We got 90,000 for the remodeling estimate, and you can see the total is about 265. Now, depending on whether you've got a 20% down payment, if you got 20% down, that's 53,000. Your loan amount is 212, and your payment in the current market is probably going to be about 1742. But if you're an FHA buyer and you want to put 3.5% down, we can do that as well. And your down payment is less than 10 grand, 9277, and that could be a gift from a family member. Um, and the loan amount is 255, 773. Your payment goes up to 2,066.92. Now that includes principal and interest on your loan, property taxes, and insurance. This insurance you want to check with your insurer because I think the costs in Florida for insurance have gone up a lot. So you want to double check that. It does not include mortgage insurance. So anytime you put less than 20% down or you're doing an FHA loan, you've got to pay for mortgage insurance as well. And so um, what's cool is once you generate your property report, you'll have access to your own dashboard. So as you look at homes, look at different homes, evaluate them, do your photos, do your estimates, you'll have a dashboard that saves all the properties that you've looked at. And as soon as you answer a couple of these questions and confirm the scope of work, um, let's say 90 grand, and let's say you're ready to get started. You get your report. And so what's nice is you actually get a nice scope of work that you can copy this page that shows the photos that you designed, the upgrade options that you chose, and your monthly payment. You can share that with your partner or loved ones, and show them what your thoughts were on that, and then they can also do their designs on that as well and send it to you. But we got a real nice scope of work here that shows details of what those costs are going to be to replace the windows, to do the kitchen remodel, to do the exterior doors, and interior doors and interior paint and flooring. So we've got a real nice detailed scope of work that you can actually download as an Excel spreadsheet. Click that download report. You have an Excel spreadsheet, and you can share that with your contractor to see if they're willing to do that work for that price. So we simplify. We even do the work for your contractor to help them develop their scope of work. And so that is your top 10, number 3, realtor.com best communities for first-time home buyers to buy a home. And the best deals are fixer-uppers. And I'm Skip Shanker, and that's how you buy a fixer.